Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install our video graphics drivers for this PC. Just as you can see, I've just done a fresh Windows 11 installation on this my PC and would want to install the drivers. There are several ways of installing these video graphics drivers. One could be a manual way of downloading the drivers to install it by your own self, or you just connect to the internet and automatically once Windows downloads its update, it's definitely going to install the graphics drivers in addition. But in our case, just as I said, we are going to be using the manual way to download the drivers and install it onto this PC. So if I go to my device manager, so just right click on the start and go to device manager and go to display adapters, you can see that my VGA drivers is not installed, which is the video graphics drivers. I want to install this video graphics drivers so that when it comes to video playing or video games, I can be able to play them very easy and faster. The first thing for us to do is go onto your browser. So open our browser. So as our browser opens, let's go to google.com. Right, once you search Google, it's google.com. right, so this is our google.com, so open that. Right, so our Google has opened. Now what you need to do is that we have to search for the PC drivers that we are using. But in order for you to know your PC model number, what you just have to do is that, so go to your start and search for run. Right, so this is run. So click on this run to open this run box. Now type in this code DXDIAG and then click on OK. So this is our PC properties and this is my PC model number. You can see we have Dell system Vostro 3750. So that is my PC model number. Now let's do the search and search for the drivers. So we have download Dell Vostro 3750 drivers. Right, sorry, drivers, it should be drivers. So enter. As we have done the search query, you can see that there are a lot of websites which we can download the drivers from. But mostly what I recommend is that you go to the official company's website. Now as you can see here, we have www.dell.com and then we have these drivers www.driverscape. So meaning the official company website is www.dell.com. So what we're going to do is that, so click on this to download the drivers. Right, so as you can see, this is our PC. What you now have to do is that we have to filter this and then get our drivers to download. Now come in here and then you can see that we have, so this, as it says, all available drivers for this PC, so which is the model number here. You can see that here, Vostro 3750. So let's come and filter which operating system we are using. So drop this Windows XP here, and then as you can see we have Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 7, but you can see ours is Windows 11. So Windows 11 is not here. Just in order to be on the safe side, what we do is that we select the nearest one, which is Windows 8 64-bit. So select Windows 8. Better say if you are using 32-bit, so you select the Windows 7 32-bit. But I'm using Windows 11 64-bit. So select the 64. And then you can see we have all drivers aligned here. Still go back to the top here and you can see the category is all, so that is why it has displayed all the drivers attached to that. So drop this down and then select video, because we want to download the video graphics drivers. Now as you can see, we now filter the drivers into only video drivers. Now as you can see here, these are all recommended. So we have NVIDIA, Intel, and then what, NVIDIA. Depending on your PC, if your PC is using an NVIDIA graphics card, you can download the NVIDIA, but in my case I'm using an Intel graphics driver. Just check mark this and then you can see we have here download selected. So click on download. Right, you can see that it is now downloading. In my case, I already downloaded the first one, so I can just cancel this one. Now let's go to the downloads folder, open downloads folder. You can see that we have the file here. So what we now do is that we now have to install it. So double click on it. Alright, so click on yes, and then we have that here. So click on continue. So minimize this as well, then minimize this as well. So continue. So it's saying so continue. Click on yes. It is unzipping the files just in order for the file to be extracted. So this is all done once your file is being downloaded. This is just the manual installation. So click on OK. So once it comes here, so just click next, next, and next, and just wait patiently for it to install the drivers. As you can see, once our drivers has been installed, the screen is going to blink whilst your installation is being done. And as you can see, my display has changed, which means the drivers has been installed. So if I go to my device manager here once again, so let me close this, go to the right click on the start, and then go to the device manager once again. Go back to display adapters. You can see that initially it was Microsoft display adapters, but you can see that it's now with a name Intel R8D Graphics 300. So that is our graphics drivers card name. So meaning our drivers has been installed. So what you just have to do is that you just have to click on next. And then as you can see, it's now saying that you restart. And once you restart the PC, everything is going to be set in place. So that is just how easy and simple it is to download and install your Windows video graphics drivers and install manually onto your PC. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.